realistic 4C edges. Bye bye baby hair gang. Let's work for me to not worry about doing the swoops the way that I wanted to and laying them down. Let's work for me.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming to you guys with a unit that was sent to me from ISEEHair. This is a 22-inch Kinky Straight 180% density human hair wig. It does have the curly type 4C edges. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one for you. So this unit does come with your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x4 lace. It also comes with additional lace in the back. That doesn't necessarily mean that you can just go up and wear this in like a high ponytail or something, because the lace doesn't necessarily have like additional hairs and stuff attached to it, but you do just gotta go and cut that lace out of it. The length on this, like I said, is 22 inches. As far as the cap size on this one, you guys, this one is definitely right on the verge. Like I always say, my head is like 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it is just fitting my head. So if your head is any bit bigger than this, I would not suggest it, because I think it would be an issue for you as far as like it sliding back and everything on you. I'm not used to not having to go and swoop my baby hairs, so I really was like impressed and surprised at the fact that this was such a natural look that I didn't even have to do anything with the baby hairs. And like I said, as you guys could see, it is on the smaller side, but I do like, because of this 4C texture, it kind of just blends in with my regular hair anyway, so you can't necessarily really tell that it has a small cap. So I feel like the baby hairs are a big adjustment, you guys. Honestly, when I first took it out of the box, I was kind of nervous to even try it out, because the baby hairs are serious. They're coarse. They're definitely super similar to my own, but there's kind of a lot to them, and I thought I may have had to go in and cut them out. But honestly, y'all, I really didn't do anything aside from I just went in, I bleached the knots. Honestly, it didn't take the bleach super great, but it definitely did at least lighten the knots up so that it looks more realistic. So when I bleached the knots, I did go in with my quick blue bleach. I did 1 cup of my quick blue bleach, and then I did 4 cups of the 30 volume developer, and I left it on there for 15 minutes. And more than anything, it just lifted in the front. The back is normally like the bigger knot, so that did take longer to come out. It's still workable. The hair itself feels a little bit dry, but not abnormally dry, if that makes sense. It feels like your natural hair if you just haven't moisturized it or anything. So the quality of the hair itself, I would say, feels pretty good. This unit in total came to like It was from Amazon. That was like $114 because there is also a 10% coupon. So to be honest, I feel like for the quality of the hair, for the fact that you do get the kinky curly baby hairs, and the fact that it's a frontal, I feel like this is priced really, really good, honestly. I don't feel like it was much work at all. I didn't have to go in and cut the baby hairs. I didn't pluck the hairline. I probably could, but y'all know me, I'm lazy girl friendly, so I didn't go and do any additional work. I kind of just left it as is and kind of try to just brush the baby hairs into the hairline so that it gives more of that natural look. So this is all the hair to the front, you guys. They were not playing when they said 180%. I did add a little bit of heat to it when I was doing the styling, and like it didn't go down, but I'm not really mad at it because y'all know I'm a big hair don't care type of girl. So like it's like, yeah. The texture, of course, it's Kinky Straight hair. It feels like natural hair being blown out. It feels like I just took a blow dryer to my natural hair. Like this density, length, frontal, curly 4C baby hair situation for $114. Like, I know they sent me this unit, but y'all know I'm always going to be honest when it comes to my reviews. And I have to say, I've gotten units that cost more with worse quality. So let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, my only con is going to be, like I said, the cap size. I feel like if the cap size was a little bit bigger, at least for my personal preference, I feel like I would have been able to make this work 10 times more, just because, like I said, even though the curly 4C baby hairs do blend in with my own, it makes me feel a little bit limited when it comes to doing different styles, because I don't like the feeling of the cap of the wig not feeling like it's a little bit bigger, if that makes sense. It's because you don't want to try to go and do a style and then your hair slides back on you. So I think the cap size is a little bit of an issue for me, but honestly that's going to be my only con when it comes to this unit. My pros on it are, like, this, it looks good, like, and I was so kind of like torn between wanting to try a unit with 4C kinky curly baby hair, just because I wasn't sure how it was going to be to style it. And I've seen so many different videos, people doing different things. I tried to put mousse and stuff on it. It really kind of wasn't having it. So I was like, I don't know what to do with this, but I just kind of feel like I just left it and let them do what they wanted to do, and it's doing what it should be doing. You save so much time when you're not sitting here, focus on your lace, focus on your baby hairs. So I do really like this 4C vibe that they're going for. The fact that it cut down time on styling and everything. Like, the quality of hair is pretty good. The density is amazing. I definitely, even though they listed it as 180% density, I didn't expect 180% density for this price, and it definitely is. It does seem like it's true to length at the 22 inches. It definitely is giving realistic. It's giving throw on and go-ish if you bleach the knots, honey. If you bleach the knots. If you don't, I feel like it's workable with you just adding a lace tint spray like I did, but I think you're going to get it to be more natural, at least if you focus on bleaching the front, because like I said, the knots were kind of big. But as a whole, I definitely see way more pros with this unit than cons. I'm surprised. I really do like this one, and I honestly feel like this one is going to be worth the price, especially if you're somebody who just doesn't really want to do too much work. If you're somebody who's not part of the baby hair club, I feel like you'll love this one, because like I said, y'all, I didn't do anything. I tried, and the baby hairs just kind of like did what they wanted to do. Even when I was trying to brush them into the hairline, even when I was trying to put the mousse, they just did what they wanted to do. But even with them doing what they wanted to do is fine. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's fine. I don't even care. Less work for me to not worry about how doing the swoops the way that I wanted to and laying them down. Less work for me. So I am absolutely all here with this unit, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.